to be a better place. Hey bros, look over there. There's lots of green grass. Let's go where the grass is greener, on the other side.
Who's that tip-tapping on my bridge?
I'm going to eat of the grass on the other side to make myself fat.
No, you're not. I'm going to eat you.
Please, don't eat me. I'm the littlest brother goat. Wait for my brother, bigger goat Gruff.
Fine. Who's that tip-tapping on my bridge?
I'm going to eat of the grass on the other side to make myself fat.
Oh, no, you're not. I'm going to eat you.
Please, don't eat me. I'm just a medium-sized goat. Wait for my brother, biggest billy goat Gruff.
Fine.
My bridge. I'm going to the other side to eat the grass and to make myself fat.
Oh, no, you're not. I'm going to eat you first.
Oh, yes, I am.
Thank you for joining Miss Angie, Miss Bree, and Miss Bella in our version of Three Billy Goats Gruff. If you'd like to make your own version, you can come to the library, and if you're between the ages of 3 and 6, we have kits ready for you with their own troll hat and masks. And we would love for you to come get a kit and tell your own story of Three Billy Goats Gruff. And if you can, take a picture and send it to us at info@ranchdistrictlibrary.org. Have a great day.